In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one product page in Elementor. So in order to create a one product page in your Elementor, what you can do is you can head over to elementor.com and then create an account or log in order to access Elementor. So Elementor is typically hosted using WordPress or WooCommerce. In this case, I'll head over and choose WordPress. So head over to wordpress.com. Click on this Get Started right here in order to create an account, or right here. Or you can also click onto this login option. If you already have an account, just enter in here your credentials or log in using these methods. So this is my actual WordPress dashboard. So in order to create a one product page in Elementor, you can head over right here to this Elementor option that we can see. And once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see in here this create page option that we can see this one. Click on this create a page, and then this will open in here the page editor of Elementor. So this should be able to help us create a page using this way. So you can see in here are actual elements. So you can add in here a particular option that you want. For example, right here, I'll head over and add a grid, and then this grid shall be added. So you can also choose the width and height for that particular grid. You can choose the minimum height for that. And you can also change the columns that you wish to incorporate into this part. I'll head over and then just choose this two right here. And I can also input right here gaps and autoflows. Into this particular grid, I'll head over and add an image of the product that I wish to add. For example, on my case, let's add image and then let's input that right here. And you can choose the image right here by clicking onto this choose and uploading here the image that you would want. Just choose in here this and click onto this select, and then into this part you can input some text as well as some things that you would want. So you can actually input right here the price. Just click onto this plus icon. You can scroll down and under the pro option right here you can see some options like forms, galleries, and in here you can see price lists and price tables. So you can head over and then add those right here. You can add the title of this particular product by adding a heading. Input that right here and add your header, and then also insert right here the actual description and price of this particular product. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.